Hello YouTube, hello internets, Irix Guy here. Wanted to take a moment to talk about a form of market manipulation that a lot of penny stock traders perform, and I don't agree with this practice. But let's start with the basics here. If someone throughout the course of time has acquired a large position in whatever penny stock, which I never recommend acquiring a large position in any penny stock because there's probably about an 80 or 90% chance things are going to flutter for whatever reason. But don't consider a penny stock an investment. Consider a penny stock an educated form of gambling. And I mean, that's about the best way to put it. But what these people do, these people that may have acquired a large position at a higher level, when they see, and it's not just because a penny stock's about to enter the seller being 0001 price per share on the ask, and on the bid side, nothing. So you could buy it, but you couldn't sell it. So what a lot of people will do if they got too bold and acquired too large of a position in this penny stock, as it approaches 0002 on the ask, which is what one would pay if they purchase more of it, but on the bid is 0001. A lot of people that are impatient or see that there's no potential whatsoever, or they feel there's no potential whatsoever for this company, they're going to exit. And they're exiting at 0001 cents a share. So, they may have gotten in at 0002. Now they're selling at 0001. They're losing a lot. Maybe they got in a lot higher. Who knows? But the bottom line is they acquired a lot of shares throughout the course of time, and they're wanting to get rid of those shares while there's still a bid, before the stock goes no bid, becomes seller, enters the cellar, C-E-L-L-A-R. So what they'll often do, they'll put in these large block sales at 0001. So they might sell 15 million, 20 million, 30 million, but they'll embed in between those an insignificant buy. So they're actually buying more stock at 0002 in the process. But for example, they would sell 20 million, and then immediately after selling 20 million, they would buy 1,000 shares or something insignificant. So 1,000 shares at 0002, which is nothing. But what the result of that is that for penny stock traders that may not have level 2 quotes, also known as market depth, all they see is a green and a red. The ticker you see and in penny stocks cases, you wouldn't see them on TV, at least not any networks I'm aware of. But they see the ticker, and they say, oh, it's green, it's up. And what's happening, those people are selling those shares, but because they're immediately buying an insignificant quantity, 1,000 shares or whatever, afterwards, it goes red when they sell, but then it goes green when they purchase more shares. So it makes it appear to the masses that don't have access to the level 2 last sale information. It makes it appear to the masses that all of these executions are people acquiring more shares. So for the uneducated traders or people that don't have friends that have level 2 quotes, they may assume, oh, there's this massive accumulation. I'm going to buy in. I'm going to buy. Whereas in reality, for that day of trading, there may have been 100 million dumps at 0001 with only a few thousand buys at 0002 embedded in there to make the tape look green. Yeah, this is pretty sketchy, but always never assume with a penny stock or any stock for that matter that green means good, because there's a lot of manipulation. And although the markets are they try to control the manipulation, the manipulation is still out there. And if you don't have access to L2, my opinion is that you should definitely have level 2 and be familiar enough with it before you start speculatively poking around at penny stocks. And that's all I have for today, but I just wanted to share that with everyone. It's a form of manipulation that a lot of people are probably not aware of. So anyway, just remember, penny stocks are never what they are, seldom what they seem, and always go in it with a mentality that you expect to lose it all, because more than likely you will. Even if you do your due diligence, and even if you are the penny stock guru, you're still going to fail every now and then. You'll have some great successes along the way too. That's all I got. Feel free to check out my other videos, and have a good one.